In life, you can do everything. You can even become a billionaire. The only thing that you need to do, you need to find out the things that billionaires are doing. Then you need to start doing them. It's very simple and straightforward. And I always tell people they don't understand about this. They say, me, I can't. If you can convince someone, you become a billionaire. Then me, I can't. Why you can't become a billionaire? Brother, it's very difficult. And I say, no, it's not difficult. It's just because you don't want to learn. You don't want to learn new things. Because you need to have a mindset whereby you need to start seeing everything is possible. Like me and my brother, we know we achieve everything. Everything is possible. You can tell someone, I will become a millionaire. And they'll tell you why. No. Why? Because society has programmed people to think poor is the only option that they have. But being poor is not the only option that you have, brother. You can change. People are making money. Brother, damn, people are making money. You are even smart. You're even smart, brother. You can be smart than these people that are making money. Maybe they're not even smart than you. But you are smart, but you're not making money. Why? Because you're not taking action, brother. The only thing that will make you become successful is to take actions.
You know, guys, when you are doing something, people think you are crazy. And we always tell people, if you tell someone, people think it's impossible and it can't be done. You know, imagine if your entire mindset was just like, it's possible to get rich. It's possible to become a millionaire. You know, me and my brother, we have promised ourselves that we'll become millionaires in 3 years' time. And people think it's crazy. People think we are crazy. People think it's impossible. You know, we live in the country, in Africa, where people think if you tell someone I'll become a millionaire, people think it's impossible. And if you say I'll be making $200 a month, people think it's impossible. People think it's very, very impossible because no one makes $200 a month where we live. And people who work in government get paid $130 a month. And it's very, very low. And if you tell someone I'll be making $200 a month or I'll be making $300 a month, people think it's impossible. People think it can't be done because things are very, very difficult here and things are not good because people who live here are very poor. And we always say with my brother, because we always know the only chance to get rich, our only chance to get rich is to have a good circle around you. And if you can see, guys, here we don't have a good circle around us. We don't have people who can be pushing us towards our goal. That's why we have dreams and we have our goals. So we said the only way to make this was to work, is start taking action. You know, guys, if people like us can start taking action with no any nice accent, with nothing, no materials to be using, none of the good stuffs, what of you guys who even have a chance to start creating content, even as best materials, nice accent? It's possible. You can even start and you can make it in life. Watch our life, guys. I'm telling you this. Even if we live in the country whereby people are poor, we don't have any money, but we will achieve our goals. Why? Because we have started taking action. Even if it's hard to get rich, we have started taking actions, and I promise you guys we'll all make it. And we have even seen with my brother, the only way we can make money is to have a good circle around us, and that's why we even started this channel. We all know if we start taking action, we'll even have a good circle around us, and we'll have people who will be supporting us, who will be pushing us towards our goals. And I'm telling you this, guys, if you have found this video and you want to see the transformation of our life, you can just subscribe and like this video, guys. You will see in 2 years time, guys, things will change completely, and we'll even have a good circle around us and good people who will be pushing us towards our goals. So guys, the only encouragement words I have for you, the only motivation I have for you is that start taking action. Because if people like us, me and my brother, with no nice accent, with no nice materials, in a country where people are poor, people think making $200 a month, it's impossible. We have started taking action with just a smartphone. What of you guys who even have nice materials, who even have money, who even have nice accent, anything, guys, you can start and you can just make it in 1 year time. So guys, the only encouragement words I have for you is that start taking action. Start taking action, even if it's hard. Just shoot one video a day, do anything. Just if it's self-development, if you want to start improving your body, if you have even a smartphone, you can just open a YouTube channel, start creating videos like us, and you all make it, guys. That's what I have for you guys. You can just try and start pushing toward your goals, guys. It's possible to get rich, guys. It's possible to make it if you just start taking actions.
Yeah, guys, exactly like as my brother said, the only way to become successful and the only way to become independent and to have freedom, you need to have a good circle. Yeah, so like the only way that made us to start creating content and stop wasting time, scrolling on TikTok and giving these people attention that don't deserve our attention. We decided with our brother, no, we can't live this life, just maybe wasting time and doing dumb things, These things never ever made us to go anywhere. And as you can see, we just decided, no, we can't be a loser. Years back, it was losers, because it was wasting time. We didn't know that we have time. Guys, the only thing that's going to make you successful, you need to know how to manage time. You have time, you have money. I always tell people, money is time. And people come to me and everywhere, the people say, no, you know what, me, I'm broke, I don't have money, I'm poor. And I'm saying, bro, you're not poor. You have money. You're not poor. Because if you have time, you're not poor. I always tell people, you're not poor. You have time. Even if you don't have money, but you only have time, you're not poor. Because you can change your life, People are changing their lives in just 2 months' time, 3 months' time. Even in 2 weeks, a lot of people have understood how the modern world age is right now, because the information is everywhere. Guys, everywhere there's information. Here right now I'm giving you information, guys, because people don't want to get the information right now. Because right now, even if you can say, no, I don't have money, I'm broke, I'm poor, you can start from scratch. You can make money, you can still become successful. Why? Because the information is everywhere. We have smartphones. Everyone is going on YouTube, searching everything that they need. They can learn any new skill. They can learn everything. They can read the book. They can listen to audio programs. We have motivation speakers, and we have these people who are psychologists, and these people who are very, very intelligent. These guys are giving you free information. I've seen some people, they're giving the information that is valuable, but you people are not getting the information that they're giving you. You're not even listening to their programs, podcast, but you're just wasting the time. Because me and my brother, we just knew that we have wasted a lot of time, and right now we decided that we can change our lives, and it's not too late. So that's the only way that caused us to stop wasting time and to start creating the content. As you can see right now, as my brother said, we live in the country whereby if you tell someone I'll become a millionaire, they would say, no, you can't. You say, I can. I say, no, you can't. Why? Because here everything is very, very difficult. The life here is very difficult, because no one can believe you that you can become a millionaire. No one can believe you that you can have money, you can become successful. No one can believe you. Why? Because people don't believe. They have been distracted. So that's why we decided we can start creating the content and we can start wasting time. As you can see right now, we have stopped partying, watching these distraction videos, watching Netflix, eating junk foods, giving our attention to people who don't deserve our attention. We have stopped doing all these things. Why? Because we have even experienced that, okay, time is the most valuable thing, because we have knew how we have wasted time years back, and we have decided that no, we don't need to waste another time, but we need to invest the time that we have. So, brother, the only thing that we wanted to tell you is you need to stop wasting time. You need to start investing time. You can say, no, but I don't know what to work on. Brother, you have time. You have social media, you have internet. It's all around you. You can go everywhere. You can know what to work on. Because if you don't know what to work on, even us, we didn't know. We didn't have what to work on. We don't have nice accent, we don't even have nice materials. We didn't say, no, we don't have this, we don't have a camera, so we can't start creating content. But we decided to start. Why? Because we know that we can change our future, and we have made promises to our parents. I've made promises to my mom that, Mom, I'll buy you expensive car, I'll buy you a private jet, I'll buy you nice expensive house. And I don't want to ruin that promise that I made to my mom. No, I only want to make the promise that I made to become reality. To become reality, I repeat. Why? Because I don't want to make the fake promises to my mom. So that's the only way I work hard. Me and my brother, we only work hard. We don't even party. We don't even waste time to these stupid things. No. The only thing that we do is to work hard. We know that we change our future. Why? Because everything is possible, brother. Everything is possible. You can tell someone, I will become a millionaire, and they'll tell you what? No. Why? Because society has programmed people to think poor is the only option that they have. But being poor is not the only option that you have, brother. You can change. People are making money, brother. Damn, people are making money. You are even smart. You're even smart, brother. You can be smart than these people that are making money. Maybe they're not even smart than you, but you are smart, but you're not making money. Why? Because you are not taking action, brother. The only thing that will make you become successful is to take actions. So that's the only thing that you need to work on. You don't need to start, maybe you are just sitting at home, you are spending time on useless things. No. The only thing that you need to do is you need to invest time. Find something that you are good at. Even if something that you are not even good at, start practicing it every single day, working on it, and you become successful. And still people don't want to believe. But what if I tell you that in 3 years' time, I'll become a millionaire, and still people not going to believe me? They're saying, no, you can't. Why are they telling me that I can't? Because they know that I have things that, for me, I can't become a millionaire. I don't have skills, I don't have that, I don't have this. No, this guy doesn't have this. No, this guy doesn't have this. But if in reality, if you can understand, I know the reason why I can't become a millionaire, and I took those things that I didn't have, the reason why I can't become a millionaire, and I started working on it. And that's the reason why I'm working every single day, because I want to become a millionaire. And people don't understand about this. They say, no, you can't. Because if you tell your society you want to buy a private jet, and then you say, no, I can't manage, find out, why can't you manage? No, because I don't have skills, because I don't have this, because I don't know how to manage a company. Brother, I know how to manage a company. Go on YouTube, search stock markets, start learning those copywriting, scripting, those, if you want to do sales, start learning how sales work. You can just start in here, say, no, I can't become a millionaire because I don't know how these things work. Brother, you don't know how. You need to know. If you are not willing to learn, you are not going to become successful. In life, you can do everything. You can even become a billionaire. The only thing that you need to do, you need to find out the things that billionaires are doing. Then you need to start doing them. It's very simple and straightforward. And I always tell people, they don't understand about this. They say, me, I can't. If you can convince someone, you become a billionaire, then me, I can't. Why you can't become a billionaire? Brother, it's very difficult. And I say, no, it's not difficult. It's just because you don't want to learn. You don't want to learn new things, because you need to have a mindset whereby you need to start seeing everything is possible. Like me and my brother, we know we achieve everything. And if you're watching our life, you even understand that it's very possible to become a millionaire, because you see, because we came from nothing, me and my brother, and we achieve every success that we want, because everything that we say, we do it. There's nothing that we can say that we can fail to do, because even if we don't know how to do it, we will make sure we will learn. We will learn. If stock market, we learn about stock market. Copyright, we learn about copywriting. Script writing, we learn about script writing. Everything. Sales, we do sales. There's nothing that we can fail, because we believe, me and my brother, we have the mindset that we can do. We become millionaires, and no one can stop us, because we are working hard. We have stopped partying, we have stopped doing this useless thing, watching Netflix, scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on Facebook, doing these dumb things. We have stopped. The only option that we have is to become millionaires. And my brother said, and me, I'm saying, we'll become millionaires in 3 years' time. And still people will say, no, it's impossible. But there's nothing I can do, because I believe, and my brother has believed, that we become millionaires. And the only thing that you can do is to watch our life and see if it's true or if it's not true. You understand? And that's the only thing that we wanted to share with you guys. We just wanted to talk about you and motivate you that everything is possible. So it's up to you if you can take our advice, or if you are not going to take it, we don't have problem with it. But we just want to tell you that everything is possible. As my brother said, everything is possible. You can do everything. You need to believe in yourself, because if you haven't believed in yourself, you're not going to be successful. And this is true, guys, because the first thing you need to do is to believe in yourself. Then you can become successful. You can buy a private jet. Brother, you can own a $1 million company. You can even own $1 billion company. Why? The only thing you need to do, you need to understand the rule that if I believe in myself, and if I want to do everything, I can do it. I can learn everything. I can do everything that even I haven't done in my entire life. Because if you look at becoming a millionaire, it's very different with the situation that many of you people are. And many of you people are. Because what I'm saying is, if you become a millionaire, you are owning a company, brother. It's very stressful. You need to know how to learn to deal with customers. You need to learn how to deal with employees. But if you don't know all those things, how are you going to manage? So it's very difficult, brother. You need to start training. You need to have skills, brother. Me and my brother, we said we become millionaire. You understand? And we said, no, how are we going to become millionaire? Because even if someone can offer you $1 million, it's very different with becoming a millionaire. Some people, when we say we are not going to become millionaire, people will think, these people will have $1 million. No, you will not just have $1 million. My brother said you need to have a good circle around you. We have a good circle around us. We have skills. Even if you can lose that $1 million, we'll even have a gain in 1 month or 2 months later. Why? Because we have become the person. Because the important thing, guys, listen to this very carefully. The important thing is to become the person to have $1 million. Not to have $1 million without becoming a person. Because if someone can offer you $1 million, there's no change. Because maybe even if you can scale it to $2 million, but there's no change. Why? Because you haven't become a person who can own $1 million. Because you need to know you need to know stress, you need to feel it, brother. You need to know discipline, you need to feel it, brother. If you say you're going to arrive at work at 11 p.m., you have at 11 p.m., brother, it's discipline. Because if you have $1 million and you are owning a company and you know how to work with customers, and if you don't know how to work with employees, how are you going to manage that $1 million? You are going to lose, brother. So if you don't want to lose, or if you just want to be successful in your entire life, you need to become a person who can own millions of dollars. Not to own $1 million without becoming the person who can own $1 million. So, brother, that's the words that we had today. I just wanted to tell you that everything is possible, as my brother said. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you can appreciate us, you can just like and subscribe and share. Yeah, so that other people can see our video, and you can even share to your friends if you want to, even to them to see our video and get some advice. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. We really appreciate for your love.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.